In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a staging site on Bluehost Wordpress hosting. A staging site is a safe, private copy of your WordPress site where you can test design changes, plugin updates, and new content without touching what visitors see. Bluehost makes this simple right inside your account, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Start by signing into your Bluehost account and landing on the My Account home. Confirm that your plan includes WordPress tools with staging enabled, and if you manage more than one site, double check you're viewing the correct subscription so you don't stage the wrong project. From the main dashboard, click Websites to open the list of WordPress sites connected to your account. Locate the site you want to work on and click Manage. This takes you into the site management area where you'll find settings, performance tools, and the staging controls we need. Next, open the staging section and click Create Staging Site. Bluehost prepares a separate workspace that mirrors your live website and connects it to your WordPress install. It stays hidden from public visitors and won't affect your production site, so you can experiment freely. You'll see a status control that, by default, reads Not Currently Editing. Click it to open the environment switcher and work specifically in staging. This keeps your edits contained and helps prevent accidental changes on the live version. Now click Clone to Staging. Bluehost will copy your live site's files and database into the staging environment. Depending on your site size, this can take a few minutes, and while it runs, avoid making changes on the live site so the clone stays clean and consistent. When prompted, click Clone to confirm. The system finishes duplicating your site and shows a success message once it's ready. If the progress bar lingers, give it a moment and refresh the page to update the status. You'll also see a temporary staging URL you can bookmark for quick access. From here, open the staging site to safely test updates, try new themes or plugins, and preview content changes. Look for the staging indicator in the interface so you always know you're editing the clone, not the live site. That's it. You've created a full staging copy using Bluehost's built-in tools. Use it whenever you want to experiment confidently, then return to the live environment when you're ready to push changes public.